How to change your password on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Zoom application. So first thing, go to Zoom. This is the homepage as you can see. Now you have to go here down below on the more option, click on it. It will take you to this page. Now here you need to click on the first option here on your name. Click right here, and then you have to go and you will find the update password on this page. Click on it, and now you need to write your old password right here and then the new password and confirm the new password in the last option. After you finish, click the save here in the top corner and everything will be updated. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.